Good day, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube lecture channel. What are these default features? Let's see what we can do with these default features. The default feature of YouTube is settings. You can set all the default settings for your video. You will get 3 options like basic info, advanced settings and monetization. If you are a beginner YouTuber, you will get basic info and advanced settings. In basic info, you can set title, description, visibility and tags. If you want to give your brand name at the end of the title, you can do that. In description, you can give your business name, contact details, social media links, etc. You can feed all these details in basic info. In visibility, you can publish all your videos in public or private. In tags, you can place all the tags in the default tags. All the tags will be included in your video. In advanced settings, you can set license, category, video language, captions, title and description language. In command visibility, you can set likes and dislikes. You can set all these in the default upload. If you set all these in the default upload, you don't have to do any work when you upload the video. You just have to upload the video, add a thumbnail, give a short description and publish it. This will reduce your half of the work. Let's see how to do this. Click Settings in the YouTube dashboard. Click Default Upload. In Basic Info, the first one is Title Tags. If you want to include your brand name in all the videos, you can put your brand name here. Most commonly used is to use the brand name after the video title, like the name of their channel. You can set your channel name to appear at the end of all the titles. In this place, I will give digital solution points. Next is Description. As I said in the description, you can set your social media links, contact details, website, email as default. In this place, I will copy this, because I will use this for all the videos. Next is Visibility. In this place, I will select Public. Next is Tags. In this place, I have already selected some tags, like YouTube SEO tutorials in English, YouTube tutorials in English, digital marketing tutorials in English. I have selected some like this. I will use this for all the videos, so I will place it here. After giving this, click Advanced Settings. In License, select Standard YouTube License. In Category, select Education. In Video Language, select English. In Caption Certificate, select Title and Description Language. If you are using multiple languages in your title, don't use this option. If you are using English only, select English. In this place, I will select English. YouTube will optimize your title. In comments, leave it as old comments. If you want to rate my videos, leave it as it is. After giving this, click Save. Now, all the settings are saved. Now, let's upload a video again. Let's check if the default settings are working. In this place, click Upload Videos. I will select my file again. As you can see, the default title is appearing here, as well as the default description is appearing. After that, click More Settings. As you can see, tags are applied. Language is selected. Caption is default. License is set. Category is Education. Next time when you upload, you don't have to repeat these settings. After this, you have to give your title. In description, you can give the description of your video. This is how you can use the default upload features for your YouTube channel. This is a very useful feature. If you have any doubts, comment in the comments section. I will definitely give you a solution for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Only then you will get all my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.